there is an easier way to do this. I wish somebody would have told me about it before I did this.
Yeah, don't do it.
I'm gonna be really pissed if someone then gets in the comments and goes, "Why did you do it that way? You should have done it this way." And I'm like, "Where were you a year ago?"
Another bad part is your headers.
Did you go get another pair? Another set? Of what? Wrap. I had two.
You already had two?
Yeah, I ordered two for the Subaru.
Oh, okay, so you still need to order another one?
Yeah, I'd have to get more for the Subaru at some point, but I'm not quite
Does
there.
that shit actually work? Well, I know it worked on my bike, so yeah.
Oh yeah, it works. I mean, it's not gonna make it freaking
Like air conditioning.
yeah, but it'll make a giant difference. It just sucks because I don't have enough to go crazy, and so I'm doing this shitty way of doing it, so I get the right, you know what I mean?
Right.
And I want it to look nice, so I'm literally just rolling it down until I get close, and then I can cut it, and then I can finish it out. But I literally have to like...
Do you have the clamps?
Yeah.
Okay.
fucking hell!
I heard that.
All right, so we got them both wrapped. And if I do say so myself, they came out real nice. I'm pretty stoked with how they are. It's a little wonky down towards the bottom, and I definitely got better on the second one than I was on the first one. But I'm stoked with it. They look good. It didn't take that long. I really only showed you the first one as long as the footage got. I mean, I don't know. It took some time. It was probably 2.5 hours, like Joe said. But yeah, not too bad. Cheap wrap, cheap everything. So it worked out nice. I don't think that the expensive wrap really does anything better than the cheap wrap. It's heat wrap, is what it is. So it's gonna be a lot better for the heat transfer into the car, which was a thing before, and then also the heat soak on the starter, which was a thing before. And if it can quiet it down a little bit, that'd be awesome too. No, we're not doing that. But all right, appreciate you guys checking in, and we'll see you guys on the next one.